see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Look who I have here. Look at this queen. Look at this queen that is gracing my channel today. Her name is Ada. She's a sister that is more than a sister. Wow. So Ada, say hello to my friends.
Hello. Hello.
Ada is the CEO of JD. No, explain.
Concepts.
Yeah. What are all these things called? Healthy stuff. Yeah.
Granola.
Yeah. This one is nutty granola. Hey, you people need to eat healthy. You see this flat tummy? You don't want it. You don't want it.
Fresh skin.
And look at the fresh skin. Look at the skin. Just look at the skin. Please. This is the secret. Hey, madre mia. Look at. She has a range of products. Look at. This one is tropical. What is in this one?
We have dry fruits in here.
Dry fruits, okay.
And oats.
So what can be healthier than this, guys? Look, just look at the market herself.
Oh
market. So what are we going to prepare today?
Okay, we are going to make parfait, breakfast parfait. Okay, most times people don't know how to eat their granola. So we're going to show you how to eat your granola. That you take it as a parfait, or you go with your milk like a cereal.
Okay, what else can we add? Yogurt, yeah?
Yeah, we can add yogurt, we can use milk, low fat, skimmed milk, whichever, or nut-based milk, whichever is okay for you.
Okay.
And we can also use smoothie if you don't want your parfait. If you don't want
yogurt in there,
yes, you can add smoothie.
Okay, and I've had parfait at a party before, right? Okay. So it can be a good party.
Yes, it's a good dessert. It's a healthy dessert.
So
yeah,
guys, have you heard it? So many different ways.
So instead of taking the ice
this
cream, you can go for parfait.
Parfait, yeah. Because it's
in case if you meet parfait in the party.
Just we're going to teach you how to enjoy it so that you don't go there and be doing work. Should we come over here? Maybe we should come over here.
Yeah, I think we should come here.
Okay, so let me bring my camera, guys. Let me take you guys. Come on, come on. So these are the fruits we're going to use: bananas, apple, kiwi, strawberries, blueberries. What else? You can add almonds.
Yes, if you want. Yeah,
if you want. So yeah, you can go crazy on this actually. Yeah, and we've already sliced them. So just slice them thinly, and then let's start. Okay. So which one are we going to use?
Okay, here we have tropical granola.
Yeah.
Okay, it's actually dry fruits and oats.
Yeah.
We have nutty granola for people who love nuts and are not allergic to nuts.
Okay.
Tropical granola for people who are allergic to nuts.
Nutty granola. So if you need any of these products, just contact her. I'll put Ada's Instagram page on the screen, and I'll put her phone number as well. Yeah. All her social media stuff. Yeah. So let's go.
We are trying to arrange our granola. We're making breakfast parfait. So you pour your granola in your bowl.
You need to make it look appetizing, eh?
Any portion you want, or yes, any portion you want.
Yeah.
But if you are watching your weight, then you control portion.
Yeah. Amaka is in the background. As usual. She likes this kind of thing. She can't wait for us to finish so she can.
I'm on standby. So this is our kiwi. So kiwi.
Start doing the mede. Because sometimes it's not about the meal, it's about how appetizing it looks, right?
Yeah, and how colorful it looks as well. Here is a banana. Strawberry. So you're going to tell us which one you prefer.
Yeah. Your
milk in this or...
So, can you guys let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer this with milk, or do you prefer it with smoothie? Or yogurt? Yeah, so 3 options. Milk, or smoothie, or
yogurt. I think I'll prefer milk because I like my cereal very soft, so I want I want the milk to soak it up, to soak the first before chewing. You guys know I don't like
snack
chewing
on granola, you know.
Yeah, for those I like chewing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
usually I like
yeah, kids can eat it.
Maybe from
kids can eat it.
Maybe kids from maybe 5 or something to avoid. Can they like
any kid that
can chew? Okay,
yeah, perfectly well. Yeah. So you add nuts. That's, you know, we started with tropical. So if you buy tropical because you like dry fruits and that and all, and you feel like adding nuts and you're not allergic to nuts, you can add your almond. You know, just feel like a tablespoon. Yeah. It's okay. So let's know.
Doesn't it look beautiful?
Would you prefer milk? And we have
okay, Marka, which one do you want?
I prefer with smoothie.
With smoothie, okay. So let's go over there and make the smoothie, right?
Okay.
This is the JD yogurt. So they have the full range of products. So you have the yogurt and you have the granola.
The strawberry.
This one is
the vanilla.
With
yogurt.
And this one is strawberry.
Look at how thick
and smooth. Hey, you got the ice cream. Madre. Yeah, looks like ice cream. Okay, for the smoothie, we are going to use
milk. We have our peak milk here, and we have strawberry, we have grapes, and we have banana.
Yeah.
You can add any other fruits that you like. If you don't like strawberry, you can add your green apples or your red apples.
Okay.
Or your raspberry or your blueberry, anyone, whichever color you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this milk, we've mixed it together before with water. Just I'll show on the screen how we did that earlier.
Help your then in goes our banana.
Yo.
Okay.
Sea skin, oh. When they're telling you people to eat healthy, you'll be asking, what's the secret? What's the secret? What's the secret? This is the secret here.
So we have the strawberry and we have
the vanilla. So
Marka,
which one?
What do you want? The strawberry or the vanilla? Vanilla. Okay. So.
Good choice because we already have strawberries in there. Hey. After eating this one, you just go and lie down and sleep. Long sleep.
Wow.
Yummy. You haven't even started eating and you're saying yummy. Now the making.
You have your smoothie.
Oto quereta.
Vanilla.
Lolo.
And add your fruits.
This kiwi looks so beautiful in meals, but a lot of people don't like the fruit. How many people like kiwi?
Oh, I love kiwi.
Yeah, let me know in the comments if you like kiwi. Some people don't like it, but it looks so good. It transforms the plating a lot, especially when you combine it with strawberry. This one is tropical, right? So you can add your nuts here if you want. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, so look at that. Come and take, guys. Come and no. Chiamaka doesn't want to appear in the video, so she's not taking anything. Where are you going with that spoon? One bowl.
Yum.
And here's another way to enjoy it. This one is a simpler way, no?
You're just drinking your smoothie. We have our leftover and drink it.
Okay. This is just like a garnish.
Yeah, it's just a garnish. That's pretty cool.
That's it. Or you can add more if you want. Hey, look at that. This is the real Tropicana. Look at that kiwi sitting pretty at the rim. Woo! I'm not like, but because of one or too many obstacles.
Very Greek yogurt. A good source of protein. See?
Yeah. For those looking for a good source of protein that is not meat.
There you are.
What did you call this one? Breakfast
Breakfast
parfait. Okay, for mine, I want the party parfait. And I want only fruits. You guys know that I don't like busy something. Yetikum strawberry.
Yeah, we'll
Hey.
like chocolate.
A little bit. No. Yeah.
Flo doesn't like
Chewing. Anybody that knows me well knows that I do not like chewing. What's going on? Hey, yeah, I'm here. That's it. Yeah. Woo. Look at. You are all invited. Let's go and enjoy. And in case you want to use milk, I would like this one so that I can soak it. I can soak it overnight. Overnight granola. Can do it like this, prepare it like this, leave it in the fridge overnight, and by then it will be yummy. Ooh.
Yeah, it's also good. It will taste like an overnight oat.
Oat, yeah, exactly. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Yeah, come and eat. More, sir. You like? The granola is not bad. The texture is not bad.
It's not strong.
Like it's not that chewy. Like I thought. See how you be enjoying it. You sit in your garden like this. Breeze will be blowing you. Very good for me anytime, any day. And it's so filling. You can eat this. You can have this for breakfast and till dinner. Till like so can travel. Come and eat. Make sure you go to JD Concepts on Instagram, and I'll put her phone number and order. She's in Lagos, so
Expecting your orders.
Lagos, Nigeria. I'm surprised at the granola actually. Yeah. I thought it would be very chewy, like if you bite it, it will bite back. But no. It's white soft.
Crunchy. A good type of crunchy.
Don't mind that one. Yeah. She has run to go and hide. I hide woman, shy. See breeze now. See cool breeze, cool Niger breeze.
I'm like how you actually made me.
Okay, go to Ada's page and prepare your own parfait and enjoy with us. Bye bye.